Hey yo lads, on some popular demand, I'm gonna show you guys how to delete your Instagram accounts on either your phone or on your browser like here, as they both literally follow the same steps. So first of all, you're gonna click here, go to settings, and then we are gonna go to help, then go to help center. From here, we'll go to the left here, or on phone, it's gonna be on the middle, but on browser we're gonna go to the left. Go to manage your accounts, then delete your accounts. After that, we'll go to this middle line right here, click on it, then go down, find where the delete your accounts is written with blue, click on it. In here you can literally choose whatever, too many hours or whatever, something else, fuck it. Then you're gonna have to enter your password and then click on delete accounts. After you click OK, it's gonna delete accounts, but I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna stop here. Thanks for watching, see ya.